Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY paper garland for Christmas. It's really easy. You just need a paper strip. This is 12 by 1 inch, and then you're going to score in the center of the paper 2 lines, slightly diagonal, 1/8 of an inch apart. Okay, because we want our garland to look as real as possible. And then we're going to simply cut the paper to create the garland. So let's get started. The reason we're going to score it diagonally, very slightly, is because we don't want all the little edges that we're going to create to be equally measured, because in real life not all the leaves and parts of the garland of the plant are equal, so we want to create that illusion. So when you score your 2 lines, make them 1/8 of an inch apart and slightly diagonal. Then you need to take scissors and start cutting from the edge to the score line. I'm going to eyeball it, but you can do it about 1/8 of an inch apart. So little tiny increments, cutting from the edge to the score line. And you're going to go all the way to the edge. So I'm just going to go and do that and be right back. Okay, so now I've done all the first part. We're going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on the second side, cutting from the edge to the score line like this. Okay, now that we have everything cut, we can go ahead and start folding our little pieces. And this is why we have scored the paper, so it will be easier to fold. So we're going to fold 1 to the front, 1 to the back, 1 to the front, and 1 to the back. And we're working on one side first, and then we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So you go ahead and fold all those little edges, all those little cut out pieces, and this is what you should have when you finish. Then this is the end of one side, and then I'm going to turn it or flip it and do the exact same thing on the other side. So I'm going to fold 1 toward the front and 1 toward the back like this, and go all the way to the other side. It's a little time consuming, but in the end it looks really cool and really fun. So once you have everything folded, let's finish the end here. Once you have everything folded, we can go ahead and start twisting. It's starting to look like a garland, but not completely. So what we're going to do is take the first 1 or 2 little edges and then twist around 1/4 of a turn. You have to be careful not to tear the paper, and you just twist around 1/4 of a turn like this, and you keep on twisting until you reach the end. Don't worry if the folded edges are not straight or not folded or getting moved. We're going to take care of that when we finish twisting. So you're going to go ahead and twist all the way to the edge. See, it's starting to look like a really fun garland. So I'm almost finished with twisting everything. Okay, so now just go over everything and make sure everything is folded. And look at that, isn't that fun? You can use different color of greens, and then you can add some embellishments to your garland. You can add whatever Christmas theme embellishments that you have. You can also, oops, that broke. I'm going to take another one. You can also use some little white acrylic paint and paint the edges so it will look like it's snowy. Or you can also add some, look at that, isn't that cool? Can add a little bit of glitter to it as well. I'm going to add 2 ribbons. Just going to tie them. You can see how I tie my ribbons here as well, so they'll look really straight and easy to glue wherever you want. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all my tutorials and make all my projects. So I'm going to have another ribbon for the other side. And this is the finished garland. Isn't that cool? You can add it to any project, do it in any size. You can connect a few together to make a longer one. And I really hope you like this tutorial. You can add them to mixed media projects, cards, scrapbook pages, mini album, whatever you want. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.